Now, there is something very interesting, to understand that concept. First of all, this is the concept of Albert Einstein, the theory of relativity. Everybody knows now? It's exactly this. This is what he came with, huh? He says one day to somebody that was not at all a scientific, he says, to explain the relativity, he said the following. He said, the difference between the time the train takes to arrive at the station and the time the station takes to arrive at the train. That's the theory of relativity. Everybody understand that? No, it's not easy to understand. But so let's come back to our. So what does it mean? It means that, and here is the understanding of the Zohar based on the relativity of Einstein. He says any movement that you make towards the light of the Creator results in a movement by the light towards you. This is the relativity. This is what Einstein wanted to say. Okay? You see how simple it is? What does it mean? It means that you today, you decide, I want to change. I don't want to be like that anymore. It means that you do the first movement. Then the light do the movement towards you.
Mirror image.
All right? This is the theory of relativity. And this is the theory of the creation. Okay? What does it mean? It means, so the Zohar is giving another example. He says, just as success is the reward of success. Yes? Success is the reward of success. So he says the same for spiritual yearning. Spiritual yearning, fast expand into divine connection with the light. It means that you have a spiritual yearning. You want to be a spiritual person. It means we are all spiritual people anyway. We are spiritual entities. Even if we see ourselves physical, it's still spiritual. Okay. So if you have a yearning to be spiritual and not, to get stuck in that physicality, it says, this is bringing you to expand into your very strong divine connection with the light of the Creator. Only to have this, to want, only to have the desire. That's why desire is so important. Okay? And we need to cultivate desires, to make them grow, to make them big and powerful. Right? Because only by that, things happen. Things happen. Right? And then, it brings you to the next step. When we want to change, we know it's difficult. It's not easy. It's taking to make. We need to make commitments, and to take it seriously. There are a lot of things, on the road, that happens, that want to stop us, because change is really the big job.